Oh my god! Look at that water! Holy cow!
So here we are filling our tank with gas in a rainstorm. Only the umbrella I had.
So we just had a pretty major rainstorm, and we wanted to see how the Ultimo Brinco, the waterfall in Rincon, is doing. You can hear it. It sounds like it's running like crazy. That was a lot of rain in a really short amount of time. It's even coming down through this walkway or driveway. Oh my god! Look at that water! Holy cow! This is when they say to really be careful when you're at a waterfall. If there's been a flash, quick rain like that. That was a lot of rain, probably in about 1 hour's time. It was just like aguacero, like downpour, just like you couldn't see anything coming out. Like what we would just call a blizzard of water. And this is what happens. It all comes into one area and it can make a waterfall or river area just totally, holy moly, that's crazy.
So we're taking some of the shelves out of the old shed to move them into the new shed, just cleaning them up. Left the brackets on them so they'll screw right to the wall. Got some cement screws, so we should be set to go.
Okay, so we are in the Mundo Telas in Aguada, and I found these tutu materials. I'm not a very good at sewing or putting things together, but we will do this. We'll try it. So we got these parts, we got some elastic, and we'll see what we can put together.
The iguana is a very invasive species on the island.
Making the tutu. Lots and lots of pink tulle, and then we'll bead some of these colors. Aiden! Let's see your outfit. Hi. Aiden, let's see your outfit. You got your cape on. Going to school, your first Halloween outfit. Time to go to school. Okay, so I finished the tutu. It was really easy. I'm not super crafty. I didn't have to do any sewing for this. I just ripped up little sheets of tulle, and I even have a lot left over. And then you just take this piece of tulle and you put it on your elastic, which can be glued together or sewed together. And then I just put it through like that, tied it around, and voila. So that's all a tutu is just like little pieces of tulle. So that was fairly easy and simple to do. The next thing is going to be a little bit more complicated. We're going to take this piece of like faux fur, like monster fur, almost like a blanket. Aiden really liked playing with this. And then we're going to make boot covers with it. So this is actually going to require some needle and thread, and Britton's going to help me with that because I'm not super great at sewing. So we're going to measure it out to see about how big it would be on my legs, and cut it, and then we're going to add a little bit of elastic to part of it, to the top of it, and then sew the rest down the line. So we'll see how this turns out. We're both not like super great seamsters, but we will try Making Aiden into a clown. Gotta curl his hair. Got his white makeup on. Okay, so right now I'm working on my makeup for the unicorn costume, and I'm putting on the rainbow stripes to start. So, get started. Okay, so I have my makeup ready, and I have my rainbows. I have rainbows on my eyes. I have my false eyelashes and my glittery lipstick. So I think I am all set for my unicorn. And next comes the costume and hair. Okay, so here is the whole outfit. What do you think? I got the blue hair, got the ears and the horn. I have the little bow tie, the tutu that I made myself, the leggings that we made ourselves, and this is just an old swimming suit. Put it all together and